Firstly, I'm going to search by exact number, which you will see is the default search as it is already selected. Here you can search for an item by any type of number, be it a supplier, manufacturer, or OE number. In this example, I'm going to be searching for a Bosch starter with the number 00013720001 and press search. As you can see, the item that we have searched for has popped up. If we click on the item to see more information, we get a description with voltage, kilowatts, type, and additional info, popular numbers, alternative numbers, and the supplier numbers. You can see there are many pictures at the top in the middle of the screen which you can enlarge and flip through. At the top in the middle of the screen there is also a search bar that says type any number to compare. So if I type in STR7962 and press search, the starter that we searched for and the starter that we want to compare our first starter with is now being compared. And you have many pictures to compare them at different angles and even diagrams. Scroll down to compare all their specs. Now I'd like to go back to my previous screen, so I will press the backspace button. As you can see, the tabs just above the images allow you to see additional information related to this item. You can click on the Vehicle Applications tab to see all the vehicles that this item fits into. To see the engine types that the starter fits into, click on the Engine Types tab and you'll see them all listed here. In the Specifications tab, you can see the detailed specs and measurements of an item. You can enlarge the spec diagrams to see what is being measured and other information. If you need an explanation of the measurement or specification listed, you can find more details in the spec key. The next tab is Bill of Material. Bill of Material enables you to see the list of components of an item. You will see two drop downs. The first one allows you to choose the manufacturer of the item that you want to see and the number linked to the manufacturer, such as 00013720001, which is what we searched for earlier. And when I press of that, a list of all the subcomponents will pop up. If I click on one of the subcomponents, it'll take me to that item where I can see all the item information and so on and so forth. Next, we have alternatives. Alternatives allows you to see what other units can be used to replace this item. Replaces is what our item, STR1191, can replace. As you can see, at the top right of the screen, there's a thumbs up button and an add to basket button. The thumbs up button allows you to add items to favorites. This item has already been added to my favorites, so when I press on it, it will say item already in favorites. But you can do this with any part to add it to favorites. If I click on the add to basket button, this item will automatically be added to our basket, which we will get to later. And this is the print button. If I press on this, you can see it takes us to the print sheet. Before we move on to electrolog number search, I want to show you how to search for more than one item at a time using the comma search function. This allows you to search for more than one item at a time. If I go and I click on the search bar and I type in STR1191, put a comma and put an STR10031, put a comma, and STR2014, and press search. And there you can see all the parts that are linked with these numbers.